All right, people, day in the life of Scott. Today we got studying and going to see my grandparents later today. But we have this new piece of gear in the setup. We have a new chair. Kind of blanking on the name right now because I just ordered off Amazon and I think it came from like China or something. But let me show you the box and then I can do a brief thoughts and opinions on this new desk chair, ergonomic desk chair. Currently loving it, spoiler. But yeah, let's have a great day. And so excited to keep studying for my exam on a Saturday. C3766-BK. If you're interested, that's the one I got. Here are the dimensions, so you guys can go pick it up for yourself off Amazon. All right, let's talk chair. So that's my previous chair in the background, and I'm currently sitting in my new chair with whatever title I just showed you that was on the box. It's a long model number. Just search in Amazon, it'll most likely pop up. But we have a headrest on this one. My previous one didn't. And also this one is mesh. So it's a lot more breathable and I don't get as hot in this one, especially since that's not breathable. This one's breathable and I love it. So nice headrest. It's also adjustable. You can put it up and down and also tilt it sort of back and forth. And what I also love about this chair, as you can see so far, is I'm leaning back and forth and you can also lock it. You can go back really, really far on this thing. So, and you can adjust the actual levels on the seat below, or below the seat. You can tighten it or loosen it, and that can adjust how much resistance you get when leaning back. You can make it really tight, so you have to like push back really hard. Or I sort of have it on a medium level, where if you add a little resistance, the chair will just go back like so. So let me know what you think. Now listen, I can't stand studying. Like you have to imagine, I've been doing this since like almost sophomore year of college. I'm 24 now. I'm still studying for actuarial exams, but I only have 3 left. I'm getting there. This is my nice notebook, noteworthy. Shout out Walmart for giving me this for $1 when it was like a $7.50 notebook. But I'm sticking with it. My exam's not till May. We'll see how we're doing. You know, we're just gonna keep chugging along. This is so painful to do this every single day, but it's gonna be worth it eventually. It's not a short chapter by page count, it's 60-something pages. So just wrapped up studying, fun as always. So yeah, this chair is pretty sick. Let me just give you guys the full view of it. If I stand up here, love the arms on this thing. Super comfy and super sturdy. Backrest is also super sturdy. Here's the headrest. One sec. I love the swivel action. This thing can spin really nice and smooth. Got some lumbar support right here if you want to tighten this or loosen this to adjust the lumbar. I don't really mess with that too much. The sides here are also adjustable, so you can adjust it. There's a button right here. It can go up and down. For the armrest. Huge cushion, as I mentioned earlier. Here's the base, really sturdy base, really nice wheels. Thing can like move all over the place. Here is the lever to adjust the seat height. Right here, you can also pull this out and push it back in to lock the back of it. And that's basically it. And then here's the thing with the backrest. You can turn this to adjust how tight the back mesh is when you want to actually sit on this thing and like lean backwards. So right now I have mine on medium, and as I mentioned, the headrest, this can also like tilt and go up and down as well. So that's it for my chair, guys. There it is. Paid roughly $100 for this thing, which is kind of insane. But if you guys enjoyed this video, sort of like vlog type, where I also incorporated like my chair that I just got. If you enjoyed this type of content, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, guys. What are we almost at 1,300 subs? So if you're new and you're watching, please subscribe. Appreciate every single one of you guys. And yeah, with that, I will see you guys in the next video. By Tech with Scott. Bye. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.